Bem-vindo ao Deep Dumps. No Deep Dumps, nossa missão é ajudá-lo a passar nos exames de certificação com confiança. Acesse os exames de prática mais recentes, PDFs e testes online, sempre atualizados conforme os padrões reais. Com nosso material pronto para o exame, você terá os recursos certos sempre à mão. Milhares de alunos confiam no Deep Dumps, e muitos conquistam a aprovação já na primeira tentativa. Oferecemos suporte 24 de julho por e-mail ou chat ao vivo. E nossos especialistas estão prontos para esclarecer dúvidas e orientá-lo passo a passo. Baixe as perguntas e respostas em PDF. Pratique com questões de qualidade e explicações claras. E avance rumo ao sucesso garantido.
Question 1. Lexi Roth works as a cloud security engineer in an IT company located in Boston, Massachusetts. Her organization generates a huge amount of data. To increase the storage size, speed, and fault tolerance, Lexi would like to configure and create a RAID. Therefore, she created a RAID on Windows Server 2016, which includes block-level striping with a distributed parity. The parity information is distributed among all drives, except one. The data chunks in the RAID are larger than the regular I/O size, but they can be resized to prevent data loss after a drive fails. Data are calculated from the distributed parity. The RAID configured by Lexi requires at least 3 disks. But for robust performance, Lexi used 7 disks, based on the given information. Which of the following RAID was configured and created by Lexi? Option A, RAID 3. Option B, RAID 5. Option C, RAID 1. Option D, RAID 0. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, RAID 5. Question 2. Tom Holland works as a cloud security engineer in an IT company located in Lansing, Michigan. His organization has adopted cloud-based services wherein user access, application, and data security are the responsibilities of the organization, and the OS, hypervisor, physical infrastructure, and network security are the responsibilities of the cloud service provider. Based on the aforementioned cloud security shared responsibilities, which of the following cloud computing service models is enforced in Tom's organization? Option A, software as a service. Option B, on-premises. Option C, infrastructure as a service. Option D, platform as a service. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, platform as a service. Question 3. A security incident has occurred within an organization's AWS environment. A cloud forensic investigation procedure is initiated for the acquisition of forensic evidence from the compromised EC2 instances. However, it is essential to abide by the data privacy laws while provisioning any forensic instance and sending it for analysis. What can the organization do initially to avoid the legal implications of moving data between two AWS regions for analysis? Option A, create evidence volume from the snapshot. Option B, provision and launch a forensic workstation. Option C, attach the evidence volume to the forensic workstation. Option D, mount the evidence volume on the forensic workstation. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, provision and launch a forensic workstation. Question 4. Ray Nicholson works as a senior cloud security engineer in Terra Cloud Sec Pvt. Limited. His organization deployed all applications in a cloud environment in various virtual machines. Using IDs, Ray identified that an attacker compromised a particular VM. He would like to limit the scope of the incident and protect other resources in the cloud. If Ray turns off the VM, what will happen? Option A. The data required to be investigated will be stored in the VHD. Option B. The data required to be investigated will be saved. Option C. The data required to be investigated will be recovered. Option D. The data required to be investigated will be lost. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. The data required to be investigated will be lost. Question 5. Securesoft Solutions Pvt. Limited is an IT company that develops mobile-based applications. Owing to the secure and cost-effective cloud-based services provided by Google, the organization migrated its applications and data from on-premises environment to Google Cloud. Sienna Miller, a cloud security engineer, selected the cold line storage class for storing data in the Google Cloud Storage bucket. What is the minimum storage duration for cold line storage? Option A. 60 days. Option B. 120 days. Option C. 30 days. Option D. 90 days. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, 90 days. Question 6. James Harden works as a cloud security engineer in an IT company. James' organization has adopted a RAS architectural model in which the production application is placed in the cloud and the recovery or backup target is kept in the private data center. Based on the given information, which RAS architectural model is implemented in James' organization? Option A. By Cloud RAS. Option B. In Cloud RAS. Option C. To Cloud RAS. Option D. From Cloud RAS. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, from Cloud RAS. Question 7. An IT company uses two resource groups, named Production Group and Security Group, under the same subscription ID. Under the Production Group, a VM called Ubuntu 8 is suspected to be compromised. As a forensic investigator, you need to take a snapshot, Ubuntu disk snap, of the OS disk of the suspect virtual machine Ubuntu 18 for further investigation and copy the snapshot to a storage account under Security Group. Identify the next step in the investigation of the security incident in Azure. Option A. Generate shared access signature. Option B. Mount the snapshot onto the forensic workstation. Option C. Create a backup copy of snapshot in a blob container. Option D. Copy the snapshot to file share. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, generate shared access signature. Question 8. Thomas Gibson is a cloud security engineer working in a multinational company. Thomas was created a Route 53 record set from his domain to a system in Florida, and a similar record to machines in Paris and Singapore. Assume that network conditions remain unchanged and Thomas has hosted the application on Amazon EC2 instance. Moreover, multiple instances of the application are deployed on different EC2 regions. When a user located in London visits Thomas's domain, to which location does Amazon Route 53 route the user request? Option A. Florida. Option B. London. Option C. Paris. Option D. Singapore. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, Paris. Question 9. SciTech Private Limited is an IT company located in Jacksonville, Florida. The organization would like to eliminate a single point of failure. Therefore, in 2017, the organization adopted a cloud computing service model in which the cloud service provider completely handles the failover. SciTech Private Limited added automated failover capabilities to its cloud environment, and it has been testing the functionality to ensure that it is working efficiently. In which of the following cloud computing service models failover is completely handled by the cloud service provider? Option A, IaaS. Option B, Passe. Option C, SaaS. Option D, DaaS. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, SaaS. Question 10. Richard Harris works as a senior cloud security engineer in a multinational company. His organization uses Microsoft Azure cloud-based services. Richard would like to manage, control, and monitor the access to important resources in his organization. Which service in Azure AD can enable Richard to manage, control, and monitor the access to resources in Azure, Azure AD, and other Microsoft online services such as Microsoft Intune or Microsoft 365? Option A, Privileged Identity Management. Option B, Federated Identity Management. Option C, Privileged Access Management. Option D, System for Cross-Domain Identity Management. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, Privileged Identity Management. Question 11. An organization wants to detect its hidden cloud infrastructure by auditing its cloud environment and resources such that it shuts down unused, unwanted workloads, saves money, minimizes security risks, and optimizes its cloud inventory. In this scenario, which standard is applicable for cloud security auditing that enables the management of customer data? Option A, NIST SP 800-53 Ref 4. Option B, ISO 27001 and 27002. Option C, Cloud Security Alliance. Option D, SOC 2. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, SOC 2.